Okay.
share this video to you, sir. On YouTube, link I'll send it up.
Yeah.
Fine then. So now it's recorded. So let
Yeah.
us go for briefing. Here, till now, we have understood what are the syllabus to be get covered, what are the topics to
Yeah.
be done. And then we have seen a few technical terms, which is going to be used inside the processing of conversation. Like we'll be talking about frame rather than image. A frame itself is an image.
No, no, I
Ah,
got this. I just, when you started opening that software from
ah,
there, if
okay,
you
fine.
repeat that.
The time
Yeah.
we
Yeah,
open the
from here.
yes, the time we open the software from Windows, we go for like Premiere, then instantly this dialog box will come up. This window will come up. Here it will ask three things: new project or open project. And help, that is other thing. We only to go for open project, we will go for new project because we are going to start the project. So the time we click on the new project, this software will again ask a new window where he's asking few things like where you want to save the project first. In MS Word and PowerPoint, the things will ask at the end of your file after the job is done. But here it will ask before itself, in which location we want to save the file. So we can switch to the browse button and go to your hard disk wherever the space enough is there. That could be the place where you can able to save the file and the name. So after this job is done, instantly he'll ask again a dialog box. So already I'm with the on title name, so he's asking like, do you want to overwrite this? I'm going for yes. Then the next job is how much the width and height of your file. Now he's asking the dimension of the presentation, and for the dimension, already predefined dimensions are there. Like this software is used for various sectors like television, film, mobile. So already predefined sets are there. Now, widely used predefined set is Indian broadcasting and European broadcasting standards are there. So this is DV, PAL, and NTSC. Two technical terms is there. PAL is meant for Indian broadcasting. So here, PAL. So for Indian broadcasting, it is PAL, phase alternative line, but the width and height does matter over here. There is 720 pixels by 576. So it is there by default. The time we click, this all setting will come up. But for the time I'm speaking, the screen always calculated with a unit called pixel. Like we calculate the object with the millimeter, centimeter, but the screen always calculated with a unit called pixel, pixel unit. So this is 720 pixel in the width and 576 in the height. So this is the dimension of Indian broadcasting standard. This is broadcast standard. Now coming down to the next NTSC, this is also a broadcasting standard used by a European standard. In Europe, US, this is the standard they are using. They are with the same size of the width, but in height, it is a little less, like 480. That means it looks almost like wide angle compared to Indian broadcasting standard because the height is less. So this is the reason it looks a little wide angle, but it is also with a unit called pixel. So now we have understood what are the different broadcasting standards are available, because on satellite they broadcast, so it is vary from continent to continent as per their satellite and as per their this is the standard they use. Now the other standard is there, SICOM is there, that is Russian standard, which is almost like PAL. So broadcasting standard are for three types, but we are covering two because the third broadcast standard is a Russian standard, what is SICOM, which is of PAL dimension only. So hope we have understood. what is standard like width and height used inside the project. Now, another terms will come up like FPS. This is a technical term, FPS, frames per second. So at a particular second, how many frames or how many images we are showing on screen, that is called FPS. Video is just a illusion of a human eye. Like nothing is moving on the screen. We are just showing to the human eye a number of images in a particular time. So it creates a illusion in the brain that object is moving, but in fact nothing is moving on the screen. Everything is still only. But in a very less time we are showing to the eye a number of images. It creates a illusion inside the brain that object is moving. So film is an optical illusion only. So there is nothing movement on the screen. Everything is still, and that is controlled by or like calculated by the unit called FPS. So frames per second. This is technically frames per second. In a particular second, how many images we are showing. Now in Indian broadcasting standard, it is 25 FPS. But whenever we come to NTSC, it is 29.97 FPS. So here we have got two details. What is FPS and what is the dimension and which FPS is used where. Now whenever we come to the film, so film runs in 24 FPS. Film runs at 24 FPS. This is standard FPS in the global wide. But broadcasting does have different FPS systems. So one continent throws different frames in a particular second and the other different frames. Here, uh, in 29.97, 29 is understandable, 29 images. But what is this 0.97? There is no 0.97 image. They calculate the things in 100 second. So ultimately per second it will come up 0.97. That means they calculate the things 2997 frames per minute, like per 100 second. Then in 1 second it will come up 29.97. So it is an odd figure. Then how does the calculation happens? In that way I've shown this. In fact, they throw 2997 frames in 100 second. But when it comes to the per second, it is 29.97. So now we have understood what is called FPS and what are the different FPS used in different industry and what are the size to be taken care while we are taking this new project. So here NTSC and PAL is available. This is standard. The time we go for standard 48 kilohertz. This is the sound related information. And the time we click over here, then we can have to see the width and height. Everything is written by default. 20 to 725, 76. All the things are there. Here, this audio is calculated with sample rates. So the 48,000 samples per second it is thrown. That's why it is sample rating. So the standard kilohertz, 48 kilohertz, it is written. And here you can find there are 3 video tracks and 3 audio tracks are there. So the all informations are mentioned over here. We won't need to do any modification now. Just have a click and get your canvas ready by going on click. Yes. Now we have seen NTSC and PAL is there, and like that, this software is used in HD movies. Like if we go for video presentation, then another standard generally use the film. The size is 2048 by 1556. This is the width and height of the film. Anything we are going to make prepare for the theater, then this is the standard size in the global market. Yes, 4K and all things are there, but this is the standard size. and it is technically called as 2K size. K represents 1000 here. So film size, broadcasting size, and movies also, like film is also projected in HD. So video standards, full HD, FHD, like that. This they are like different sizes. This is 1920 into 1080. So this is the size which is used for video. Video in the sense like private videos, YouTube videos, this full HD size. So they are like different standards of sizes. What canvas can be created. Except to that, a lot of things are there. Mobile size are very, and half HD, full HD, a lot of different video sizes are there. Fine. So here we have understood only few things which is generally used, but except to that, yes, we can find more sizes for anything to be represent on mobile and all. Then these are the sizes are used, and if any size is not here, then we can switch to the setting box. Just beside to the sequence preset, we can find a second type that is called setting. Here we can able to mention a option called costume. That means it allow us to make our own size. Through which we can able to make, if it is not there, yes, we can able to make our own like frame size. And here FPS also can be displayed. We can mention which type of FPS we like. Here it is not there, it is different FPS are there, that can be mentioned over. So hope we have understood now how to make a new sequence, as if the name is called new sequence here. Film is a project. Inside the project, we are creating sequence, and the discussion is over here. Sequence. So we can switch to the standard. Now I'm just taking a Indian broadcasting standard size, 720, 576. Okay, now the timing is off. Again, you can able to get it login, sir. If suddenly it is getting off, then you can able to log in once more. After 10 minutes, it will log off. Now, and we can able to assign a name. Go for OK. Now a lot of boxes will come up, appear on the screens. So Premiere crashed. So I'm just restarting this software. I'll restart my system, sir, for a while. Uh, Then again, we can log in to the same ID. So